Gugikinyeria thinacara cia hwaini muthenya wa gatano, bururi wa Amerika ugukorwo wihariirie kwamukira president wao wa 46 Joe Biden na munini wake Kamala Harris muciini munene wa Washington. Biden na Harris mekwihitithio ni jaji munene John Roberts igongona riria riratanywo ni gwikinywo ni mapresident matatu mana hau kabere: Barack Obama uria wathanire na Biden munini wake, Bill Clinton na George W. Bush. Maafitha a mbiraru makiria ma 20,000 nio megukorwo makirangira igongona riri kumana na guoya wa gutumuka kwa ngahiha ta iria cirega ciikaro-ini cia bunge ya bururi wa Amerika. Ihinda-ini riu President Donald Trump uria utegukorwo igongona-ini ria kwihitithio kwa Biden ni arutite ndumiriri yake ya muthia kuria atariirie wira uria arutite riria arari mutongoria wa bururi wa Amerika kwa ihinda ria miaka 4.
For years, the American people pleaded with Washington to finally secure the nation's borders. I am pleased to say we answered that plea and achieved the most secure border in U.S. history. The world respects us again. Please don't lose that respect. I am especially proud to be the first president in decades who has started no new wars. I did not seek the easiest course. By far, it was actually the most difficult.
Na ona thengia wa makumbi maria maragumiire utongoria wake, Trump etikitie atiga bururi wa Amerika uri na mirimiru gukira uria ukorire.
I go from this majestic place with a loyal and joyful heart, an optimistic spirit, and a supreme confidence that for our country and for our children, the best is yet to come. Thank you and farewell. God bless you. God bless the United States of America.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.